Good morning, one and all. In the last class, we discussed about the first chapter in our class about reading and making maps. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about the reading and making maps. First of all, I told about the definition of the map and explained about the scale, and at last, I explained about the directions. First of all, coming to the previous class, I told about the map is nothing but, okay, map is nothing but it's a symbolic representation. Map is nothing but it a symbolic representation which we can show the different characteristics of a particular place which we can draw in a flat surface. I told about the map. And also I told about the map is nothing but it is a model of different landforms like plains, plateaus, coastal regions. Okay, na? I told number of examples about the map. Come to the next. Sir, why sir? What is the use of the maps? By knowing the maps, we can know the perfect location in our world. We can know about the types of crops are grown in those areas. We can know about the climate of that region. We can know the language of the persons by knowing the maps. Okay, you have to know about these maps. And next, first of all, I told about the maps. And next, I told about the directions. In the last class, I told about the directions. Directions, I told about the east, west, north, and south. Sun rises in the east direction, sun set in the west direction. Okay, and by facing to the east side, the right hand side is called the south, and the left hand side is called the north. I told. Coming to the blackboard, upper side is north, south, right hand side east, west. Is called the directions, and I told the sub directions also called corners. Northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. These are called corners. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest is called subdirections, also called corners. Okay, you have to know about this. And next, I told about the scale. What is the definition of the scale? In every map, in the bottom of the map, you can see the scale. 1 centimeter equal to 100 kilometers or something we can see. This is scale. Why we have to use the scale in the map? Why? Because to reduce the actual size in the map, to reduce the actual size in the map, we can use a scale. It is impossible to draw. It is impossible to draw the real size. That is why we have to use the scale in the map. We cannot draw 200 kilometers of map. That's why we have to use a scale. And you studied about the Laila and Malika. They met near the Red Cross Society, in Nizamabad. The two are the close friends. Malika is coming from the Venkatapuram and Laila is coming from the Adilabad. Okay, you studied about the story. Laila how to come to the Malika's house. Okay, Laila wrote the letter to the Malika. Immediately Malika was very happy and wrote the written letter. Okay, and Malika wrote the sketch map and sent to the post. but Malika does not show the directions and the scale and the symbol also. Symbol. That is why there's a lot of confusion to the Laila. Okay, this much we are learning about in the last class. Coming to the next topic. Coming to the today's topic, I will say about the symbols, and I will say about the what is meant by conventional symbols, and I will say about the what is meant by scale, and I will say about the examples how to estimate the scale in the map. Okay, and also we discussed about the sketch map. Okay, sketch map is nothing but we can draw very easily and very quickly. SketchUp is nothing but which we can draw very quickly, but does not give the more information than the maps. Okay, SketchUp is easy to draw, but does not give them more information than the maps. We told Malika given sketch map to the Laila to come to her home, but does not mention the directions, does not maintain the distance by using the scale, does not maintain the directions. That is why Laila is confused to go to the Malika's home. Come to the textbook in the page number 3, they given the map about the directions, and they given some questions in the page number 4. You have to fill it by knowing the directions. Already I told about the directions. North, okay, I told about north, south, east, west, and I told its corners also. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest also. You have to fill that maps. Okay, you have to fill about that blanks. Come to the next topic, directions on a map. Directions on a map. Okay, usually you know about the maps are prepared east, west, north, south. Come to the blackboard, north, south, east, west. Come to the blackboard, north will go top, south, east will go to this side, right hand side, and west will go to the left hand side. Come to the blackboard. After Laila came to the Malika home, Laila had to go outside to see the village Venkatapuram. Immediately they went near to the bridge. Okay, first they given about the directions on a map, north, east, west, and south. First they told about the directions and where the east, west, and north and south. They given the box also. They given the box. In which first question? In which direction is Mahabubnagar from Hyderabad? In which direction? You have to see the Telangana map. Okay, in the south direction. Okay, you have to know. By seeing the Telangana map, you have to do the remaining questions. Okay? I told about the first one. In which direction is the Mahabubnagar from Hyderabad? It is the answer is the south. You have to do the remaining questions in the page number 4. And come to the next topic. Scale or distance on a map. Scale or distance on a map. I told about the scale. One day Laila and Malika went towards the bridge stream. They went towards the river stream. Okay. On the bridge, they found that they have 6 lampposts. 6 lampposts. They find the 6 lampposts. The distance between one lamppost is okay. The distance between one lamppost is 100 meters. The total bridge is we have 500 meters. Immediately, Laila was eagerly waiting to draw the sketch map of this bridge lamp post. Immediately, Laila came and used the map of the lamp post. She drew the lamp post. At last, she make the scale of the lamp post. Laila does not draw the 100 meters lamp post because map is very small. Compulsory Laila how to use the measurements. Laila how to use the scale. Okay. Then Laila uses the sketch map and she represent on the sketch map 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter and 5 centimeter equal to 500 meter. In the map, in the actual size of the bridge is 500 meter, but Laila showed the size, reduced the size of the bridge to 5 centimeter. This is called the scale. To reduce the actual size on a map is called scale. Again, I am saying once again, to reduce the actual size on a map is called scale. Okay, I given the example also. I given the example of Laila and Malika. Laila and Malika went to the near to the river stream. They saw the bridge. They found out the 6 lamppost. The size of the distance of 6 lamppost is 500 meters. Then Laila used to draw the sketch map and she showed that 1 centimeter equal to 100 meters. Then she showed only 5 centimeters on the sketch map to represent the 500 meters. This is about the scale. Okay, just now explained about the scale, and here we have changed from meter to the centimeter. Again we also have to change from kilometer to the centimeter also. Some map shows some world map or something. We can make kilometers change it to the centimeter. It is about the scale. You know about 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And you have to know about this one. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Coming to the next topic, the last topic in your first lesson, reading and making maps. Symbols. You know already, the Malika which prepared sketch map of Venkatapuram does not show the symbols. The symbols are essential in our maps. Symbols are drawn according to our needs. If you know about, if you see the district map, the villages and towns are shown the symbol of dots or circle. If you show about our India map, our capitals are shown the point symbol or dot symbol. If you have to show the boundaries, we can make the 2 lines. This line tells about the boundaries of our country. This dot tells about the capitals of our country or state. Okay, you have to know about this one. We use symbols to show our physical objects, our surroundings, we cannot draw. Okay, we cannot make some of the actual symbols. That is why we are using the symbols in the maps. Okay, we are using the symbols is nothing but it is a physical objects. Okay, symbols are prepared according to our needs. Symbols are also known as signs. Some common symbols are called conventional symbols. Some common symbols are called conventional symbols. For example, they given some examples in your page number 6. Okay, they given this one. It is a Kacha road. It is a Kacha road. And it is a Pakka road. Okay, it is a Pakka road. This symbol, very very important. And this is a railway track. Okay, it is a railway track, are also known as a railway track, are also called a meter gauge. Meter gauge. It is a broad gauge. And you can show some symbols also. You can show some symbols also. It is a temple symbol. It is a church. It is a masjid. Okay, and you can show some abbreviations also. PTO, post and telegraph office. PS, police station. RS, railway station. Okay, and PO, post office. By the symbols, by small drawings, we can know where we can find the temple, where we can find the post office. By knowing the abbreviations, we can find the particular location of our place, or of our willing to go to the place. By knowing this, we can find out very easily by knowing the symbols, by knowing the common symbols, also called conventional symbols. First I told about the Kacha road, the symbol is like this one, and Pakka road I told the symbol of the Pakka road this one, and meter gauge is a broad gauge, and temple is shown like that, and church is shown a symbol, and they shown the masjid, symbol of the masjid, and they given some abbreviations, PTO, post and telegraph office, and they given police station. RS means railway station, and PO means police station. I'm saying, at last I'm saying to you, try to prepare your own sketch map of your village. Okay, try to prepare of your own sketch map of your village by using the scale, by using the direction, by using the symbols. Okay, try to make a sketch map of your own. Okay, this is a very very important lesson of your class. Okay, first of all I told about the map. Okay, after that I came towards scale, directions, and symbols. I given the scales examples also. Malika and Laila went to the river stream, and they given the some box also. They given the examples. Vanaparthi. Okay, Vanaparthi to Hyderabad. The actual kilometers is 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. By using the scale, we can reduce 1 centimeter equal to 10, or we can reduce 1 centimeter equal to 50 also. Whatever we have to need, we can make anything by using the scale. Okay, they given the example of the scale also, and they given some questions. Mahbubnagar, the direct from Hyderabad to dash direction, we can find the Mahbubnagar. To the south, we can find the Mahbubnagar. Whatever the boxes, whatever the questions they given, try to find out the answers. If you have any doubt, okay, if you have any doubt, you have to listen once again the lesson what I have told. Okay, this is about the today class. Next, I will say about the some of the keywords what I told in this first lesson. Okay, up to now we discussed about the topics of sketch map, map, scale, direction, and symbols. And by knowing the sketch map, we discussed the example of Laila and Malika. Malika is from Venkatapuram, Laila is from Adilabad. Laila have to come visit the Malika's house. She wrote a letter, I have to come to the Malika. Then Malika replied to repost the letter by showing the sketch map. But Malika forgot the directions, symbols, and scale. Also, I told about the difficult that faced by Laila coming to the Malika's home. She does not know the direction. She does not know the distance because there is no scale. She does not show the symbols, perfect symbols. This is a default done by the Malika. Next, I told about the map. Map shows the different landforms of our earth. Plains also I told, lowlands, plateaus, highlands, mountains, which we can find in the north of the region. Hills also, coastal regions, near to the coastal region. Mumbai is the coastal region. Chennai, Visakhapatnam is also a coastal region. I told you about the peninsula. India is called the peninsula. Why? Because we have three sides water, one side land. That is why India is called the peninsula. India east, we have the Bay of Bengal. India west, we have the Arabian Sea. India south, we have the Indian Ocean. I told. Next, come to the next. I told the definition of the sketch map also. Okay, sketch map is nothing but which we can travel easily, but does not show more information like the map. Next, I told about the map. Map is nothing but map is nothing but a symbolic representation. Okay, which we can draw in a flat surface to show the different characteristic of the landforms. I told about the map. Scale. What is the use of scale? I give you the example. After coming the Laila towards the Malika's house in the evening, they went to the river stream. They saw the bridge of 6 lampposts. The distance between the 2 lampposts is 100 meters. Then immediately Laila had to show out eagerly waiting to do the sketch map. The Laila was done the 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. Then 6 lampposts in the sketch map showed only in a 5 centimeter. Okay, I told about this one. Next, come to the next topic, directions. I told about the direction. Which side is the east, west, north, and south. You have to do the box which are given in the textbook, and about the district map also. Okay, about this our Telangana map also you have to do. Which side is the Mahbubnagar from the Hyderabad? You have to do some questions which are present in our textbook first lesson, reading and making maps. And next we discuss about the intermediate. Okay, discuss about the corners, also called subdirections also. Northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest also. Next, come to symbols. Symbol is nothing but which we can represent the physical objects, which represent the character of an object or place in it. We show the symbol of the temple, masjid, church, PTO, postal telegraph office, PO, post office, RS, railway station, PS, police station. Also, I told about the Kachar Road and Pakka Road. I told about the our district villages and towns are shown in the dots and or circles, and our capitals also shown in the dots. And I told you about the boundaries of our country shows in the two lanes. And also I told you about the types of maps also: political maps, physical maps, and thematic. Political is nothing but it shows the political divisions like villages, towns, cities, states, countries. Okay. Physical map is nothing but it is likely to show the plains, different landforms of plains, plateaus, coastal regions, islands, etc. Thematic map shows only one object like distribution of rainfall, climatic region, population, rice growing states in our country. Example. By this, I think you gain some knowledge about the maps. Try to see our district map, our state and country map. Okay, you check it the scale in your map. Okay, you try to draw the sketch map of your village. Okay, try to see the direction, which is the north, which is the south, Telangana is in which direction, Jammu Kashmir is in which direction, okay, West Bengal is in which direction, Gujarat is in which direction. Try to see the map of our state and India map. Try to the symbols. The common symbol is called conventional symbols. Try to gain some knowledge by seeing this in your maps. Okay, thank you. Hope all you understood very well. Okay, this is about the keywords which were discussed 2 days. Okay, hope you understood very well. Thank you.